Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K.K. Misra. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on financial mathematics. Here true false type questions are to be discussed. This is part 5. 1. Money has time value because you forego something certain today for something uncertain tomorrow. It's true. 2. The uncertainty factor increases with time, the distant, the cash flow, and the more uncertain they become. This is true. 3. The lower is compounding period, the higher is the effective rate of interest. True. With higher inflation rate, the interest rate tends to increase. True. 5. One of the reasons for attributing time value to money is that individuals prefer future consumption to current consumption. It's false. 6. The nominal rate of interest is equal to the effective rate of interest when interest is compounded annually. True. 7. The rule of 72 is more precise, provides a better estimate than the rule of 69 to find the period required to double your initial amount. False. 8. Financial analysis require an explicit consideration of time value of money because most financial problems at corporate and individual level involves cash flows occurring at different points in time. It's true. 9. Given a principal of amount of rupees 10,000 to be invested for 9 months, it is better to invest in a scheme that offers 12% annual compound interest than investing in a scheme that earns 12% simple interest. It's false. And a bank that pays 10% interest compounded annually pays a higher effective rate of interest than a bank that pays 10% interest compounded quarterly. It's false. 11. The formula for effective rate of interest, that is 1 plus r for m multiplied by n minus 1, that is false. 12. A regular, that is deferred equity annuity, is one in which a series of periodic cash flows of equal amount occur at the beginning of each period, that is false. 13. The rule of 72 is useful in determining the future value of an annuity given the rate of interest. It is false. 14. Frequency of compounding has no effect on interest earned. It is false. 15. Maximum benefit of compounding occurs when money is compounded daily. It is false. 16. Present value of an uneven stream of cash flows can be calculated with the help of present value of annuity table. It is false. 17. While investing money, it is always better to insist on a higher frequency of compounding. It is true. 18. Increased frequency of compounding means the same thing as decrease in compounding period. This is true. 9. The benefits from increased compounding frequency decrease with each successive increase in compounding frequency. This is true. 20. In case of most of banks, fixed deposit money is compounded quarterly. True. 21. Effective rate of interest depends on the compounding period. This is true. 22. Higher the compounding period, higher is the effective rate of interest. False. 23. In simple interest, interest for each year is same is true. 24. The process of determining present value is often called discounting. This is true. 25. Continuous compounding results in the maximum possible future value for a given rate of interest and time period. It's true. 26. A perpetuity is an annuity that continues for 100 years. False. 27. In perpetuity, the principal amount remains intact. True. 28. The present value of any future sum is inversely related with rate of interest. True. 29. Continuous compounding occurs when interest is compounding daily. False. 30. Sinking fund factor is used to determine the periodic fixed amount that must be invested regularly to accumulate a specified sum at the end of a given period at a given rate of interest. True. 31. When debt, that is loan, is amortized in periodic fixed installments, the principal component of installment declines over time. False. 32. The compound value of Any sum invested today varies directly with rate of interest R and time period N. It's true. 33. Money has time value because a sum of money to be received in future is more valuable than the same amount today. False. 34. The process of compounding assumes discounting at the same rate. It is true. 35. An annuity due is one in which periodic cash flows of equal amount occur at the beginning of each period. True. 36. Compounding over the same time period, annuity due will have a higher value than ordinary annuity. True. 37. An amortization schedule tells us about the interest component and principal repayment component of each fixed installment paid by borrower towards loan repayment. True. 38. Annuity tables can be used for all types of cash flows. False. 39. For a given rate of interest R and a given number of years N, the present value annuity factor will be greater than future value annuity factor F. 40. In present value tables, all values are less than 1. It's 41. Present value of an annuity due is equal to present value of the ordinary annuity, that is annuity into 1 plus R. It's true. 42. Future value of annuity is equal to present value of ordinary annuity multiplied by 1 plus R. It is false. 43. 1 divided by present value annuity factor is known as capital recovery factors. True. 44. 1 divided by future value annuity factor is known as sinking fund factors. True. 45. The price of any asset today is the present value of all the future cash flows associated with the asset. It's true. 46. Bond prices vary inversely with the rate of interest. It's true. 47. The annuity is a stream of constant cash flows occurring at regular intervals of time. It's true. 48. A perpetuity is an annuity that continues forever. That is till infinity. It's true. 49. The present value of a mixed stream of cash flows is the sum of the present values of the individual cash flows. True. 50. An investment option that comes with specified present value and future value after given period has hidden rate of interest. It's true. So this was all about this video tutorial, which just talked about true and false types statements on annuity. So I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel R Classes and press the bell button and pass on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.